This super glue is general purpose. There is a combined 4 ounces, 2 ounces per bottle. That's quite a lot of super glue. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. It comes with 2 replacement tips and 12 of these tips. These can give you very precise control over where the glue goes. This is a fast drying formula. Typically takes between 15 and 30 seconds and you get a permanent bond. It's good for ceramics, plastic, glass, wood, metal, leather, you name it, this can probably bond it. I made this cute unicorn in my wood shop, but it needs a base. I'm going to super glue it to this wood bottom. Okay. Now I have a strong bond. I like the medium thick because that is the most universal. If you're not sure which one to get, I would recommend the medium thick because it applies so well to a wide variety of different situations. I also think the 15 to 30 second drying time is that good middle sweet spot. Some of these types of glues, they'll set up in 5 or 10 seconds and some go several minutes. 15 to 30 seconds is usually enough time to get the items together, line it up if it's not perfect the first time, and then you don't have to hold it forever. So that's another big plus.